Hello, how to fix go to your authentication app the Facebook problem and you cannot enter because you don't did this authentication before or don't use never the authentication like Google authentication or Microsoft authentication, but the Facebook asked you to use it and enter the code from your authentication app. How to solve this? Follow me to know. This problem happen like this with this one, this like this is so. To do it, you have to try another way and then continue. Use account recovery. Don't use continue. Try another way, and then something you have to press on account recovery, and after you press on account recovery, you will ask you to use your mobile or your email. These two authentication method, one of them, and then he will send you a code for your email or for your mobile, the thing you selected, and then after that, after this code, he know that it's you. He ask you to enter like a passport photo or ID photo, picture, or marriage picture. So you will attach your ID picture or photo, and then wait for 3, 4, 5 hours until he will send you back the code. So you will receive something like this. Okay, this code will get after 5 hours, and then you will use and then he will ask you to use your authentication. You should select turn off two-factor authentication. Don't add new number or don't use the number, because you will go to be asked for the authentication code. So you will press here. After you press here, you will enter without anything. We won't ask for login code when someone logs into your account from an unsafe device on browser. You can turn on two-factor authentication again in your security setting. Okay, so it should now go directly to do this. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication helps protect. But you are here. You seen happen that you got. So he will ask you for using two-factor authentication. You click on it. Okay, use authentication app or security key, which is flash, and this is expensive. It may be $50 or $100, or use text message. So use text message, it's better one. So he will send you a code in your mobile phone, and you will enter this code here like this, 09501 from your, and then continue. This one is good. Okay, done. I hope yes, it's working now. The Facebook opened. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Please share the video with others and write any question and we will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video.